exercise 7.5. It's a first question. Write a fraction appropriately as addition or subtraction. This how many questions? A, B and C. This question you can find the answer yourself. Then look at this figure carefully and write its answer. The next question number 2, solve. This addition, all are like fraction. So you can find its answer. Means first question look, exercise 7.5. Then question number 2, first A, 1 by 18 plus 1 by 18. This is which type of fraction? These are like fractions. So like fractions denominator same. So we write that same denominator and add the numerator. Here numerator is 1 and 1. Means 1 plus 1 is equal to which number? 2. 2 by 18. Then you can write its simplest form also. Means this numerator and denominator divided by a common number. Which is the common number? Highest common factor divided by 2 and 18 is equal to which number? 2. So numerator and denominator divided by 2. Then we get to which number? 1, 9. Is clear? The next look at question number G. 1 minus then 1 is equal to 3 upon 3. Then this 1 place which number we write? 3 upon 3. Look, now denominators are same. Look, this place 1 is equal to 3 upon 3. So we can write it 3 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Now look, denominator which number? Denominator is 3. Then subtract the numerator. 3. 2 subtracted from which number? 3. So 3 minus 2 is equal to which number? 1 upon 3. Then one more question. Look, question number I. 3 minus 12 by 5. 3 minus 12 by 5. This is 3. What is the fraction form of 3? You know, fraction form of 3 is equal to 3 by 1. Fraction form of 6 is equal to 6 by 1. 5 is equal to 5 by 1. Then this is here 3 by 1. This which type of fraction? Look, 3 by 1 is the simplest form. This 3 by 1 we can convert into like fraction. 3 by 1. 3 upon 1 we can convert into like fraction. Multiply by which number? Multiply by 5. So look, this multiply by 5. Numerator multiply by 5. Denominator also multiply by. Here denominator multiply by 5. Numerator also multiply by 5 is equal to 50 by 5. So 3 is equal to which number? 15 by 5. Same as this 1 is equal to 3 by 3. Likewise 3 is equal to 15 by 5. So this place we can write is equal to 50 by 5 minus 12 by 5. Now look, denominators are same. So write that same denominator and subtract the numerators. 50 minus 12 is equal to what is the number? 3. Numerator difference of 50 minus 12. 3 by 5. Is it? Then it's clear? The next, solve the question. questions. Find write yourself, solve yourself. The next question number 3. Look, Shubham painted 2 by 3 of the wall space in his room. His sister Madhavi helped and painted 1 by 3 of the wall space. How much did they paint together? Final. Shubham and his sister painted the wall of his room, and then how much portion Shubham painted? Question number 3. Here, part of wall or a portion of wall painted by Shubham. How much water? 2 by 3. And portion of wall painted by Madhavi. Then how much portion painted by Madhavi? And number 3. Part is also part. Then painted together. Portion of wall portion of wall they painted together. Then we add these two parts, we will get a portion of wall they painted together. So look, 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. So look which type of fraction is this? These are like fractions. So we can add a numerator. Numerator which number is 2 plus 1 by common denominator which number? This is same denominator is 3. Common denominator, then add 3 by 3. 3 by 3 means what is 3 by 3? Is equal to 1. That means they painted whole wall. They painted complete wall. It's clear? The next question number 4, fill in the missing part fraction. Question number 4. Question number 4, 7 upon 10 and minus this space number is not given, second number is not given, then what is its answer? 3 by 10. Means this 7 by 10. Subtracted from which number? This number is not given. Then we find out this number. Then what is its answer to get you? 3 by 10. Then another example. 6 minus dash is equal to answer 4. Then this number subtract second number subtract this number subtracted from 6. We get which number? 4. Then look this number plus this number. We get which number? This first means first number, this second number, this third number. Then look here. This second number is not given. How to find out the second number? Here this second number plus third number. Second number plus third number is equal to which number? First number. Is clear? This two number we add, we get this number. Then so this number, how to find out this number? Look, this here look, which is the first number? This first number and this third number. This third number minus from first number means 6 minus which number? 4. We get which number? Second number. Which number here? 2. So this first number minus third number. First number minus third number. We get which number? Second number. Then or this first number minus second number we get third number. Same as this first number minus third number we get second number. And this first second number plus third number. This number plus this number we get first number. Likewise, look here. How to find out this number? This is first number minus this third number. We get which number? Second number. So 7 minus 4 which number? Here 7 minus 3 by denominator same. So we can write that same denominator. So answer 4 by 10. So which number will come here? Which fraction will come here? 4 upward 10. Is clear? Then first number is not given. We add this first, second and third number. We get the first number. Third number is not given. So we subtract it. We get this first number. Second number subtracted from first number. We get the third number. The second number is not given. Then first number minus third number. We get the second number. Is clear? Third, here B look. First number is not given. First number is again B. First is not given. 3 minus 21 is equal to 5 by 21. How to find out the first number? First number is equal to second number plus third number. Now look, this which type of fraction is? Fraction like a fraction. So we write the same denominator and add the numerator. 3 plus 5 is equal to which number? 8 by 21. So which is the first number here? 8 by 21. Is it clear? So we get 5 by 21. Then balance all the questions you should find yourself and write your fair copy. Thank you.